All right, guys, I'm currently standing outside of a 2020 Honda Fit. This is going to be the EX package. You're going to be towards the middle. Let's walk up to the window sticker here. You guys are welcome to pause it right here for some additional information. Up here on the top side, it's going to talk about the fuel economy. You get 31 for the city, 36 for the highway, and then you get the combined rating of that 33. Down on the bottom right-hand corner, you can have all of your safety ratings, where the vehicle is made at, price point, and then the list of features, which we're going to go over today. Okay, as we walk towards the front, all of your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist that keeps you in the center of your lane between 45 and 90 miles an hour. Then you have your adaptive cruise control, your forward collision magnetic braking from that point. You can have a 1.5 4-cylinder is going to be in here with your CVT transmission. You got a nice little bit of fog lights up here in the front, little chrome nose within the grille. You have your daytime running lights with auto headlights. As we kind of wrap around the side here, you can have your 16-inch alloyed rims. Kind of a nice exclusive there for the EX. Body colored mirrors and handles. Now you're going to have smart entry with the vehicle, so if the car is locked, just lock it up. You have the key fob in your pocket, purse, jacket, you name it. Put your hand on the handle, unlocks it for you. You can lock it too as well by hitting the lock button, walk away, and it's good to go without taking the key fob out of your pocket. So as we kind of wrap here towards the back, you have LED taillights. All right, kind of check out a little bit of the nice little design here on the bumper. You have a multi-angle rear camera. It's going to be right here. It's going to be a hydraulic gate, so a manual gate. You have plenty of space for how small, compact this hatchback is. Plenty of room. You're going to have your spare tire down below. There she is. Tools and stuff you need for those unforeseen events. Nice little courtesy cargo light. Seats come down nice and flat. No additional hump or anything. So as you're kind of moving around, hauling some stuff around, challenge accepted. Just throw it right in there. Living the dream. Oh, got myself locked out. Let's unlock it. I like how wide this door opens. It opens up like in a 90-degree angle, guys. Makes it easy on getting out, adjusting things. Now to bring these up, you simply just fold it right up just like that. Pull up, it locks. You can recline this if you like. You have a nice little lever right here you can pull. It comes down additional one. Oh, got the buckle stuck. There we go. So you can see the difference on the recline mode right there. Carpet mats come standard, okay? No additional charge. You got the magic seats. Simply kind of fold that up, lock it in place, both sides for the 60/40. So if you got a tall plant, a big box, a bike, you can throw that in there, it will fit. Gives you a little more utility capabilities. Folds right down, locks right in place, all right? Now as we sneak up front, you guys know about power windows, power locks. It's all pretty much straightforward. You got your mirror selectors from this point, from there. Some additional cubby space down below. You can have a manual seat, so it's gonna be a pump action. To raise it, you just pull up, to lower it, pump down. You got your squeeze bars to slide forward and back, then you got your recline from there. You're gonna have your gas and hood release down over here, gas and hood. Let's kind of jump right in here. It's going to be a push button start, so you need the key fob in the car. We'll throw that in the cup holder, put your foot down on the brake, hit the button, starts right up. All right, we'll get some air going. All right, so down over here, guys, you're going to have an Econ mode. So with Econ, when you have it on or off, you have a little green leaf up there to let you know it's on, now it's off. So with Econ, it's going to give you better fuel economy, most effective on your highway driving. It changes the RPMs of your car. You're going to sacrifice some acceleration and AC power to get 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon for your highway driving, depending on how aggressive you are. Corresponding with that, these blue lights, they turn green when you're being fuel efficient, so it's a nice little coach for your city and highway driving if you want to take that to the next level. You have your vehicle, you got your vehicle stability assist right here. You have your forward collision magnetic braking if you ever want to shut that off, and then your road departure right there. Simply turn that on or off. That keeps you on the road, instead of going off the road for your lane keep assist. Another cool feature with this, with the EX model, you're going to get the Honda LaneWatch. So when you turn on your right blinker, on the passenger side mirror, it's going to have a camera down underneath. It comes activated. The whole point of that is to increase your visibility from that point. If you guys want to know more detail about that, check out my other video about the Honda LaneWatch. It's only on the driver, it's only on the passenger side, not on the driver's side, because they don't want you to be looking towards this way as you're trying to turn the other way. It just wouldn't make sense, you know? All right, so you have your auto headlights down over here. Shifter pedals. You're gonna have hands-free for your phone, so you can pair up multiple phones with voice command. So if I'm saving your phone, you have a question, click and hold that, and it's gonna say, hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone and give me a quick little call. You have all of your volume controls and everything from here for your media stuff. You got a nice little button here that you kind of change and displays different settings from that point. All of your Honda sensing features is going to be here on the right hand side of the steering wheel, guys. So you can tell when your Honda sensing is available by the green writing. And you'll see that down over here in this corner. So it's available. You got your ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, then you get your lane keep assist from that point. If I hit the main button, it deactivates, therefore it's no longer available. Now for your lane keep assist, it's going to be this button. You can use this between 45 and 90 miles an hour. That's your highway driving. You can see those hollowed out lines right now. So right now it's not available. It's not working at the moment because it's not finding lanes or you're not going the proper speed. Then we have your adaptive cruise control is going to be this button that you can use at any given time when you have your cruise control on. Simply hit set for your cruise control. You can adjust the speeds from that point. Then you have your adaptive part that you can choose the distance between you and the car in front of you. Once it detects a car in front of you, it's going to have a little white car above those lines, just like this picture shows. Gives you a visual confirmation, okay? So you got a lot of visuals that's going on to let you know when your Honda sensing is working. So kind of just take a look around. What's going on with the current range? I know with the current tank size, we have a full tank of gas. You can go 426 miles if you need a refuel. Kind of gives you a lot of averages, stuff like that. It's going over there. Nice little temperature gauge, time, everything over there on the other side. You can adjust your steering wheel. It's a telescope, so down underneath it goes in and out, up and down, adjust as you see fit. You have a nice little cup holder on the side. All right, so as we kind of checking over here, we got the nice home screen, guys. You have your different music options. Hit source. So you have FM, AM, satellite radio, comes standard with this. You get 3 months of that for free. Then after that, you have to contact them to continue that subscription. You have a USB port because you don't have a CD player, so you can download your CDs onto a USB, plug and play from that point. iPod, Bluetooth, Pandora, and then you have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All right, so you have your phone. You can pair up multiple phones. From that point, you have your settings. You can customize all of your vehicle settings, stuff like that right in there. We'll go over that with you guys when you guys purchase your Honda Fit. Climate control and everything is pretty much straightforward. It's all knobs like we've all been trained over. You got your different modes, your fan speed, your temperatures, AC, rear defroster. Down below, you're going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto USB port down here. Simply plug in your phone charger into your phone. If you have an Apple phone, it's just a plug and play. If you have an Android phone, you have to download Android Auto. Allow all the permissions, and it'll display like your Google Maps, other compatible apps right up here while it plays through your speakers while charging your device. You have a 12-volt plug-in. Nice little additional tray up here, cup holders. You have a standard drive, then a sport drive. As you throw it in reverse, you have your multi-angle camera that displays up here on the 7-inch display screen. These little buttons on the touchscreen shows you how the camera acts. So you have the nice 180 view. That's kind of catch some more on your sides. It'd be great if you're pulling out of a parking lot, driveway, stuff like that. Then you have the right behind you view. As you can kind of see, you can see the whole fit, the black fit there on the side. Then you kind of see more of the like half of the fit. So, and that's just right there next to us, guys. And then you have a straight down shot from your rear bumper. It'd be great as you pull in, backing into a parking spot into the garage. Now, as you crank your steering wheel, this changes colors to let you know you're not in line, okay? And it kind of guides you in what direction you're going. You got your parking brake down here. Some additional cubby space with a 12 volt and USB, additional USB port. You are going to get the one-touch power moonroof with the EX at above. Nice deep glove box. So cloth seats come standard. You have to get to the next trim level if you want leather. Nice little silver trim coming around. You got your warning lights up here. Kind of check out the visors here for you guys. Mirrors. Let's take one last look here along the outside. If you guys ever owned a Fit, like to share your experience or thinking about buying one, kind of drop any questions, comments down below. Kind of share your guys' experience or any questions you may have. Or feel free to contact me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kill Honda. I'll get back to you, answer any questions you guys may have, okay? So yeah, that's the 2020 Honda Fit EX package. Thanks for watching.